Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So today's project video, I'm just gonna show you how I sublimate a fridge magnet. So this is a giveaway for a third birthday for this boy. So his theme is Blippi. So what I'm doing here is just I already designed this picture using Picsart. So I already put it on my file. I save it. So what I'm doing right now is just to resize according to the magnet size. So it's a fridge magnet. So yep, that's just what I'm doing now. But if you wanna know how I just use Picsart and Canva, I think so. I just have to look for something that like invitation or this is a rectangular size. I have a different sizes like a heart shape and like a jar. For this one, I'm doing first the rectangular one. So bear with me. And if you are new to sublimation or you want to know more about sublimation, just subscribe to my channel. And I'm doing like a basic sublimation from because I know I was there. I was a beginner once too. So right now just have to like duplicate because I need to make 9 rectangular ones and 9 heart shapes, and the rest just the jar shape. So you can use the space of your paper. You better just like make it more that because paper usually costs like 25 cents, so you don't waste it. Mm, so it's done. All you need is to click print and make sure it's a mirror image. I already set up this and I click the print preview. I just want to know I did it right before I print it. So usually your printer is already like in a default, but I always check just to make sure. So once it's done, there we go. So it's just printing. We'll just have to wait to come out. So here's the printout, guys. As you can see, there's some I have different shapes that I printed out, but so I'm gonna start with this one. What I'm doing now is just make sure that the white part of the fridge is covered, and I have to remove the flame. Yeah, there's a plastic that's covered with this one. You have to remove it before you apply the picture, or else it will just stick to the plastic and it will melt. So I already printed the heart shape as well. So what I'm doing now is just removing all the plastic first, just to make sure that I remove every one of the plastic. Most of the time it's really hard to remove using your fingernails, or yep, and you just gotta sometimes wonder if there is really a plastic, because you can't, like, touch it or something. So I'm gonna look for sharp stuff or something that I can use. Give me a sec. So here we go, guys. What we're doing now, just to make sure the picture, like the wordings are be on the, like, the white spot. You don't want to miss the head or any letter from, like, for example, the happy birthday, you miss the Y, so that's not good. So that's what I'm doing, just to make sure the face, the words are there. So right there, yeah. And the reason why I put some, I know you just you can measure it, but there are times that I have to put extra, because if you only just, like, exactly the measurement of the fridge magnet, sometimes there's still white show up. So that's what I'm doing, just to give an extra, a little bit extra, like 2 centimeter extra. That's what I'm usually do when I'm doing a project or an order. I just want to make sure that all the white color is covered, and then tape it to secure it, and it's ready for the heat press. So we are now in our heat press. It says here you need to do 355 Fahrenheit according to the instruction, and for 55 seconds. So picture facing down, and parchment paper. So as you can see, it's going down. It says 60, but sometimes I just sort of check 50 will be enough. The instructions is 60 seconds. Let's try this one first. 60 seconds, because sometimes it depends on the, like, materials or your heat press. Sometimes there's the first one that I had, the heat press, like, hot, it's super hot, it burn all, like, if you put too much heat. But this one, I find it's a constant one, so it depends. So the other one that's from Amazon, I don't like it. So this one is more the high quality one, or more expensive one. So I try only 50 seconds. So here we go, and let's see how. Oh, I try another one. So it's anyway. um here we go. I tried so many, and this is how it looks like. So the hearts, the um the rectangular. So since looks good, and so I just have to attach the magnet, of course. This, yeah, just attach it to the back, and once it's done and ready to go, there we go. That's one down, and 19 more to go. That's how you make a sublimation, a fridge magnet sublimation. You can actually, you have to buy the blank from I have my supplier, or anybody that's selling sublimation products. So that's what I'm doing now, guys. Just remove the paper from the magnet and then attach to the back of the picture. And see, that's it, I think. And now with the heart, the same thing. So that's the magnet, and this is the heart with a picture. Just align it. It's simple and easy. Now, so same process, guys. It's like a messy project, but I like it. I enjoy doing all kinds of birthday parties or any kinds of sublimation. It's just so that's called personalized. It's kind of like, I love it. So I use my Cricut, what's called this, just to easily get the paper out. So this one is called a jar because it looked like a jar. This one, yeah. Yeah, just attach the magnet on the back, and it's really cute. And I'm almost done. There we go, guys. So everything is here, total of 20 pieces. And if you learned something from this video, and if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you again next time. Bye!